wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best hourglasses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Both you and your guests are sure to notice the Lily's Home 60 Minute, no matter where you put it. It stands nearly 10 inches tall with a base that's 6 inches across, and its cherry wood construction is striking. It's made from hand-blown glass with smooth white sand. However, it's a bit expensive for the quality. At number 9, the PTC Black Dual Dragon is the perfect timekeeping ornament for fans of fantasy worlds and myths because of its detailed elements, eye-catching and fearsome creatures, and striking red sand. It may work for timing board games too. It's made of tough resin with a hand-painted finish, but the construction seems a little shoddy. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you want to build healthy habits, this organized set comes with both a 30-minute and 5-minute model, designed to help you budget your schedule between work and rest in a stylish manner. They each have a base on which to set them and keep them secure. These are sophisticated enough for an office and can stand even without the base. However, the glass is quite fragile. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hourglasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Thor Instruments Nautical KG2371 combines a compass with a 5-minute timer and will make a nice looking showpiece on a desk. But at 7 inches tall, it is a bit on the small side, and neither of its instruments should be counted on to be precise. It's a brass and glass construction, and it's easy to replace the sand, which is good because some find the pink color off-putting. Moving up our list to number 6. The Kikkerland Magnetic may look simple at first glance, but don't be fooled. Beneath its attractive wooden base is a hidden magnet that helps the iron grains within the globes create fascinating little stalagmites as they fall down to the bottom. It makes an engaging conversation piece, however note that it's not durable enough for children, and its 1-minute duration is imprecise. Halfway up our list at number 5. With its somewhat plain styling, the Civid Modern would make an unobtrusive addition to your productivity tools. Its inner glass is surrounded by a durable acrylic shell that helps it resist breakage due to drops. It's equipped with silver-colored end caps and is not terribly pricey. It's available in 5 sizes. At number 4, the Design Toscano Handmaidens of the Pharaoh isn't for everyone, but it might appeal to people who collect memorabilia and decor related to ancient Egypt. It runs for around 5 minutes, but it's not made for precise timekeeping. It features hand-cast crushed stone and a detailed paint job. It stands about 7 inches tall. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The B Bellower wood is available with a black or white frame and your choice of 6 sand colors, though the sand does tend to get jammed in this while it's running, so you should expect a time deviation of at least 10%. It runs for about 60 minutes and is made of medium density fiberboard. The base can be engraved. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hourglasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for teachers or parents who need to referee games or help kids understand time better, the Moskick Colors 6-piece set could be a handy aid. The shortest timer runs for right around a minute, while the longest counts down about half an hour, so they're great for many activities. There are varying sand colors, all labeled for convenience. They're made with hardy borosilicate glass. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the KSMA Brass Tone is one of several rotating options offered by the company. If you don't like the smooth base on this one, there are also some intricate alternatives with ornate Victorian styling you might prefer. It features an approximately 30-minute duration and a moisture-proof sealed chamber. It spins in 2 directions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hourglasses, or simply click beneath this video.